Nityanandam. I welcome all of you with my love and respect for this live relay of Akashic readings. Akashic readings is a memory stored about everything that is happening, whether it's past, present, or future. Whatever has happened, happening, and going to happen, everything is recorded. So these records are going to be revealed through the bodies of the Balasans of Nityananda Gurukul. And this show is for all of you to have your Akashic readings read and also have your doubts clear about anything, any question that you have. We'll be answering it live today. So we are opening ourselves. Any question you have, you can put it in the comments, and we'll be reading your questions live and answering it live. So before starting all this, I just want to share a few words about our beloved Guru, Paramahamsa Nityananda. He is an Avatara Purusha, incarnation who has landed here in this planet Earth right now to guide us all and let us all to experience the space of Sadashiva. So any one of you have any questions, any one of you have any questions, please put it in the comments. We'll be having live Q&A session. We'll be answering all your questions live today. So anything about Akashic readings. See, the Akashic records, whatever is happening, anything right now, whatever you're going through, the emotions, the thought currents that you're having, and how you're holding life, how everything is happening for you, and whatever has happened in your past, and whatever is going to happen. See, understand, the future is also determined based on your past only. So whatever is going to happen in your future, everything is already stored in the cosmic archives. All of us think that the dimensions are totally three, and the states of consciousness is also three. Swamiji beautifully explains that we are having totally 11 dimensions, with the 5 main dimensions as length, breadth, height, time, and space. All these 5 and permutations and combinations of these 5 make it as 11 dimensions. And when these 11 dimensions are there, you'll be able to access anything that you want. Right now, we think that time is something inaccessible by all of us. We think time is only the Lord of us, and that is only controlling all of us. But that is not the case. When you are in the space of Sadashiva, you will be able to access the dimension of space and change anything the way you want to change them. Every day, hundreds of people come and have their Akashic readings read, and they'll be able to change and determine their future so easily. And any doubt they have in the past, like how yesterday we had Ma Swarupa Priya come here, and she had lost one of her very expensive camera, and even such simple things also was found out, and she was able to find so many other things that she wanted to find also. And she told that she had actually forgotten that she had another camera which she's lost before. So when she came for the Akashic readings here, the Balasan who scanned for her told that she had about the previous camera that she had lost and the recent camera that she had lost. So everything becomes so simple and easy and very relatable also. Akashic records are very helpful for you to, like, each time you have it read for you, you'll be able to simply get more and more clarity the way how you want to exist in your future. So any one of you have any questions, you can send it live right now. You can just put it in the comments and we'll be able to answer them. And all of us also need to understand, like, how Swamiji was expanding today. The main purpose of our life is to be in the space of Sadashiva. All other decisions that we take which is not aligned to this space is nothing but decision fatigue. That is why so much of illness, so many people fall sick easily, and so many people go through so many problems. You yourself might be knowing in your own life how many problems with wealth you'll be handling, and so many problems with life, money, and job, career, relationships, every dimension, every aspect of your life where you are having some problem, you'll be able to manage it very easily. It will just become so simple for you. because when you're going through like a totally a higher dimension, when you're accessing a higher dimension, when you get clarity into all these things, you'll just simply see wherever you're feeling stuck, wherever you think that that free flow is not happening, will just break and you just have a free flow in that dimension of your life. Like there are so many people who are telling like they want to manifest the wealth for attending Sadashiva, and they're not able to manifest it, and they come here and have their Akashic readings read, and they simply see the money just happening. Like very recently we had a person sharing, telling that she didn't have money and she wanted money, so she got the blessings here. One of the Balasans blessed, telling it will be that a person is just waiting to give them money, and please listen. She doesn't know that man. She does not have any idea about that man. And when she's going there, that man is just handing over the money to her. So all these different miracles. It's not what I'm telling now. Is not some any joke, or I'm not telling any fictional things. It is happening right now. Even you can have such experiences. So many such possibilities are just waiting for us, but it's we who is not allowing it to just break open that whole thing. This is why Swamiji is just opening the doors of Sadashivam here in Bengaluru Adinam with Sachalamurti and Achalamurti and the Kshetra, everything put together at its best, and the whole ground being prepared and all the alchemy products, everything at its best is just waiting for all of us to experience the space of Sadashivam. We'll just have a look at how the Balasans are performing the Akashic readings. So many people are joining live every day from so many online cities also.
Anything what you want to join will be able to join.
You are also offering, you also witnessed many 9 months presence in your life. You have served many 9 months in your previous lives. And so when you were with Swamiji in your last life, you were asked him to come home again and serve him again.
So what you do next time is now again can you live? But this time don't have any important.
Any one of you can ask any question that you have, anything related to manifesting these Shaktis,
Make sure you do that.
or you have any doubt about this Akashic readings, anything you can ask, just post it in the comments. We'll be able to reply to you.
Okay, Ma, don't remember this time Kalivera's blessing is there with you. In the start, just create an intention. You'll be able to get a proper job.
You can just see people just flooding in and waiting for their Akashic readings to be read. When you have your Akashic readings read, you'll simply see a new dimension just open up in yourself.
Intention happening here. Immediately Kalibal
Just imagine if this can open up, this one manifestation that too through another body can open up a new dimension within you. Imagine what kind of new dimensions that can open up in you when you yourself are able to manifest it.
Ma, don't even just try anything you want. You see it from reality.
Start looking, you will find it within 3 minutes. Please move. Take the next 2 days, you will find it directly in your bank account. Just hold on to the space of this resistance and you will get this every month. This leave it for next 3 days, and after that, on the fourth day,
See, understand, like how Swamiji is telling today.
if we
All of us, at one point of time, feel that something is really wrong with whatever is happening. We somehow feel we don't fit into that atmosphere. We feel that there is something that is always telling us that we are not this low. This is very too superficial for us. This is too low for our status. Or we sometimes feel that all these things are very silly and it's not yet fulfilling. And sometimes we even feel that we want to achieve something, and even when we achieve it, we still feel unfulfilled. All these are different signals showing that you are just waiting to get the experience of Sadashiva. Otherwise, you'll never have this feeling. Swamiji gave beautiful story of this lion and cub. There was once a lioness, she was pregnant, and she was when she was jumping over a cliff, she falls down and she dies.
Don't worry, he'll be able to study successfully and get scholarship.
The cub is delivered. And when the cub is delivered, it's surrounded by a flock of sheep. And sees around, and it doesn't know who it is. It doesn't know what animal it is or nothing it knows about itself. It just joins a flock of sheep and starts believing that it is sheep only. So when it starts believing like that and starts existing like that, it starts eating grass, it starts playing with the sheep, and starts thinking about itself to be something very low. And at so many points, it starts having that different feeling of somehow it is not fitting into this society. But it just ignores that feeling and continues to exist. Suddenly one day, a lion comes there, and it gets shocked seeing a small cub playing along with the sheep. And this cub also, when it sees the lion, it gets frightened, acts like any other sheep, and just runs away. But the lion was not able to bear it. Runs and goes and catches the small cub that is thinking itself as a sheep. And through different ways, it starts trying to make the sheep understand it is not, that cub understand that it's not a sheep and it's a lion. And only when it gives that experience by giving a small chunk of meat, and that small cub takes it in and roars. That point, it understands that it is not a sheep and it is a cub. All of us are also like that only. All of us get that feeling of whomsoever only understand you are a chosen being, you are a chosen person by the cosmos. That is why you are even watching this video. Otherwise, there are billions out there who doesn't not even know about the higher possibility that exists. Because you are the chosen one. You were chosen by cosmos. You are even having the access to watch this video. And you are having an access to know about so many higher dimensions that is just waiting to get awakened in you. So the call has come for you. So don't just ignore this call away, because every one of us are just waiting to experience and taste that awakened state. Like even your dream also, you feel everything to be real when you're dreaming. Only when you wake up, you will know that it is not any dream, or it is not any real thing, it's just a dream. Same way, whichever way you're existing now, you may feel everything to be real. Then why is that part there in you which is feeling unfulfilled? Why is there always a part in you which is feeling something is missing? If there's a part in you feeling something is missing, then what is that part waiting for? Life will give you wealth, but do you think you'll get fulfilled by that? Then there are so many people out there, so many rich people. Are they all completely happy? No. There is still a part in you which is still feeling unfulfilled. It just wants to become fulfilled. It's just waiting in you. I'm sure all of you will understand. Just see in your own life. You're going to a place where you always want to go. And when you go there, you enjoy it for some time, and you still have that part in you which is still unfulfilled. You achieve the great position that you always wanted to achieve. You're craving for it. Once you achieve it, still there is a part in you which wants something else more. Don't ever misjudge it, telling, okay, it wants something else, not this.
Don't worry, all your
That
problems
something
will
else is not any external
be
matter.
Sadashivam.
What it wants is to go beyond the matrix. To go beyond the matrix means I really mean to go beyond the matrix of you're not anything that you're perceiving yourself about. You're not belonging to the society that you're thinking yourself to be in. You're beyond all this. That taste of the ultimate experience is what you are waiting for. And this possibility can open up in you only when an incarnation happens in your life. When the Guru happens in your life and you get connected with him and just manifest him through you. When you see people doing something, you also tend to have that same activities in your brain. We call this as mirroring of the neurons. The brain activity just starts mirroring everything. Like, for example, if you're watching a person carrying something heavy, you have that same when you're just watching him. If you observe how your expressions change, it will also be carrying the expression as if you're really carrying something heavy, where you will not be doing anything at all. The brain activities just get mirrored. So when you're seeing people manifest powers, when you're seeing them and even having direct access to them, and you are also getting asking questions and getting a personal touch with them, when that happens, automatically that same mirroring of those neurons happens in your brain, and you'll simply see the way you start cognizing yourself starts changing. You can ask anyone whomsoever had their Akashic readings read. Ask any of them and see. All of them would have had some other experience or something to be little higher than how they were. Even if they're thousands of miles away, maybe sitting in Australia and having their Akashic readings read, even for them, they have some kind of experience like that, where they feel something, a higher thing to be existing, or some totally different space to be existing. If you are having any such feelings, please understand this possibility is there even in you. What we are doing here is not a magic at all. It's not at all a magic. It's a science, a pure science, which any one of us can manifest. Okay, so I'll start answering any questions that you have right now. Live, I'll start answering. So we have a question from Maria. I have been told that I am going to attend Sadashivam 2016. Please, would you be able to tell me how am I going to get the money to make the payment, as I applied for a loan from the bank and I didn't get approved as I already have one in September. You understand? Good that you're asking this. That means the possibility of Sadashivam is already existing in you. See, understand, even if you're having the thought of even a little intention to attend Sadashivam, or even you're having the blessing of knowing the information that Sadashivam is going to happen, it's the greatest thing for you. It's a boon for you. That means you are already having the possibility in you to attend it. That's why Cosmos is even getting it for you. So money will, you no need to worry, money will manifest you. If any obstacle is there in you, you can come for this Akashic readings. You can get your obstacle of this money to be removed. So many of us go on telling we have this obstacle, that obstacle. But there is a part within us which is actually becoming the obstacle. There is nothing there in the outer world which can become the obstacle. Only there is something within us which is becoming the obstacle. For that obstacle to be removed, you can send your whole question live in the Akashic readings. You just send us your contact details, you just send us your place details. We'll tell you how to come and get your live Akashic readings read, and you'll be able to manifest the whole wealth that you want to for attending Sadashivam. And any one of you have any questions like this, you can all ask. This forum is open for you, just to reach out to all of you to make it for Sadashivam and to make it for your Akashic readings read. Because understand, Swamiji is going to use all the 11 dimensions, the 25 states of consciousness. We usually think only 3 states of consciousness exist. We call it as deep sleep state, dream state, and waking state. But there are so many more existing. We are just stuck in these three, but there's 25 states that are existing. It's just a permutation and combination of the 5 main states: deep sleep state, dream state, waking state, awakened state, and the alive state. So these 5 states and the permutation and combination of these 5 are all existing as 25 different states of consciousness. So you all can ask any question that you have to help you. Will help you to manifest Sadashivoham, and the Akashic readings can be read for you, so that all of you can experience the 25 states of consciousness and the 11 different dimensions. You can just see how people are just coming, flooding, and waiting for their Akashic reading.